Centrifuge motor installation. Firstly, use a 10mm solid wrench or adjustable wrench to loose the two nuts from the bottom of the front panel. Remove the two nuts. Meanwhile, hold the front panel with your hands to prevent it from falling off. Then remove the front panel. Here it has the shaft for fixing the motor. Thread the shaft through the mounting hole on the motor to expose the latch hole. Insert the latch and check if it is installed properly. Connect the spring on the latch to the motor hook. Thread the belt through the speed measuring cable. Match the belt with the pulley on the drive shaft. Then place the belt onto the pulley on the motor and rotate it to make sure it installed properly. Connect the 5 cable properly according to the interface. After finish cable connection, then install front panel. Align the screw stem with the screw hole. Align the upper part with the kidney slot and buckle it in again. Move the front panel up to expose the screw stem at the bottom. Screw in the washer and nut in sequence while holding the front panel with your hand to prevent it from falling off. Tighten the nut with a wrench. Installation of centrifuge motor completed.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.